Ghana this my Mamunya Chiba Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. You my dear friend Ghana today, Bre and Ansono. The Wakrata would do a bedja so the Naposona as some more. The near the Ghana speaks about and the Yamaho Quine watch the watching 7:30 Pepe Pen on Sompa was media son. Na Ghana phone somewhere bebo so and somewhere koba. Now once watch the watching Edia Faho. Your family dear Yamisha and Akosua Guabo, you bet me a friend Akusenshra. And open me war. Odumankuma chiame. Odumankuma kitchen. Odumankuma crepes ewa. The plantain chips in the mini one grokra. And I'm a day ride the coffee. Young Francis Dama endpoint homeopathic clinic, woman able ye chidom, ama ye de Ghana today, Jumedi no aba. Sansuna Casana Tramino water, eya budun so when ye be a ye. Hajia special local food, dear Diana Papa, na when ya quatenten net me Aboagye. Sompa 106.5 FM Accra, so person when ye did you mind no one say your client service line no 0531886216 0531886216 now with them CNBMA 0531886216 now and the senior national team the Blasters Yama England for tough time pa no more cars on the fire for manya point in a che Obia for 1-1 Obia fan ko bone bra Obia fan ko kan 3 point ho sa ye bo defense sa he omo ball ah ye friend vein labor England no omo ball but ye friend vein labor eno England match no omo ne Blasters omo de na vein labor but de omo bo bi chen but omo de na vein labor omo boy am fa yenye 1 point ye de akoka ho aye 4 etiene ye de hunsem nyina so ebeba me what the Ghanaian Times at the many more Ghana's most authoritative newspaper and other Hana Odumankuma chairman so dear waha Sansuna Abrewetia Oheneyere Nankasa watena se abo Blasters for wo mujezi no enya sam ketwa kreches wo supporto ne mayankasa it is a would we feed na to me say don't get it twisted me patch all eye Sompa Accra eye Sompa Accra eye Sompa Accra. How many times did I call you? 3 times 3 times eti yetna CD ya ba no na ya ba abedwa for me makwabo
ya benshra
ya bo ya ba
Ghana for ya bo ya ba Sompa so ba
ya Sompa so ba ya bo ya ba
ya
bo Odumankuma chiame
we say na se won ti ase atu ano nya
na ye for akoma yare ye ho be
wadwene ho sa na ne kidney ho
wa won ti ase na ponso de na ebe
ya for akoma yare ye ho be na wabufuo kura ampo ye tietia so wabufuo kura ye tietia so
ma abunfu hwe
ahia kai de de wabufuo ye
papa mi na kan abranda
we ye friend nyaminsa wom Oluwa debi Oluwa debi
na Oluwa is involved
Oluwa is involved aba nyame wo mu a bibia eyeyi wo made nyina diboa mo na sanso ewie mu yie na ye fefefe
mami wo kan Blaster nkomo na menenam UK ho hwe omo tablets no
yeah
papers no send you
almost say
the Mirror say we are gonna have to do the hard way once again. They say we are going to I am Ghana
okay
Ghana no I am Ghana
okay
and omodu omonse gumti
okay
the son say Thomas Tuchel omo coach no
and what's a party Bobby you are not guilty until proven
wa so Jude Bellingham say and wa so him say don't worry don't worry about the thing cause every little thing is gonna be all right. The Daily Mail says lions tamed Tuchel's toothless troops failed to conquer gutsy Ghana
Share. So no mo ka say yefu. Na UK for na ye omo say. Ye bayira abere watimi tutuma ne ye.
Mbefa ye se nwa.
Monya. Na mo ma boy say ton. Amfa. Omo ka say ye ntuntuma ye be boni say. Omo underestimate ye. No mo nim so omo be win. They were so sure. Say Ghana de omo de ti be ka form. But I know coach no idea or both defense. And no England for the ball match. Ball no the omo ball.
79.
Yes. Yeah, but you timid defend it. So the strategy you say football is strategy.
Sure.
I don't want to football a strategy. Say we kwa koshia wo opponent. Now was steady no. Eti coach no wutimi say was steady England for team no. And we say no. And Crawford way Ghana yentimi more. Mo nemo no. Ye betimi a defend it. And now players no so were disciplined.
Sure.
Wutimi say omo di coach no. And she say o de ma omo nyina echi. They were very disciplined. They obeyed their coach. They were very disciplined. It omo ball tactics ne strategy no de ma omo no. Defense ne because after all say about defense you, say about 10% you, some about 80% you, some about 90% you. Ya share. What do you know? Cry very labor.
Ama me ya say there what from no Russia.
Oh, that be.
Auntie, oh yeah, one also was running by me and
I one also was through. Auntie, more the senior national team, the Black Stars, na say. More coaching so about so e wenra. And mo nyam sha mo de share.
Defender ba ko me hu Twitter tweet bi.
Okay.
Sa Ajete. Friends say Jones Ajete say Jonas Ajete. Me hu ni Twitter tweet bi o say or be revenge ni grandfather. English ni born ni tuo wo Osu Castle. Sa? Sergeant Ajete.
Oh.
And cooperative.
And so mo de be di yeso no. Ye colonial masters no.
Nti na sefo ni bia.
No.
Auntie enwa ye ne ye colonial masters ne ball match. Auntie enwa colonial masters ne no ball draw.
Masters.
Oh sir, enwa colonial masters ne ntimi amaster ye.
Enti na so me two flex blue
colonial masters no ntimi amaster ye.
Say kasa.
Auntie say ye nananom no mbe dada o mo.
Dada o keke.
Ena omo jiji omo gold ne time no koy.
Ni antopo ngo ni bia.
Omo di tuo ne ba ye ni ntia ho. Na ye ni tuo ho. Ne ye wa agyan. Near was a kind, but not to an order. To more soon. And now you're a package, so you actually see a bit in your mouth. You're more a team Nabaso. Now your third match, and young hope say, you bet me a yadi, a Safata near the qualified. Now, I don't know. Oh, 1 more year. Only a little bit hard not to come. But you're better home. Say, master's cry a cheer for most. Okay, it's cheer for how much more Croatia, dear. I like me, I'm more fast for. And I like Nami who coach in the first match, you know. Even though we go in Panama, you one no. That's still Nami who coach, but Enra, and who said he is a good coach. Now make us a strategy. Football is not about winning ball. Oh, born the other. Who to me who ball? Mommy, yes, we are all Arsenal. About 20% possession. Yeah, you need to. It's offense and defensive mechanism now. Would be good in place. It's anyone who say he is a good coach, or who said the team now may be share woman. Womo any toothless bulldog. It is me mama me strategize. Me can't me no more bar me to me. Me mama no mami defending. Na me nsem na me mrante no so nye discipline mami e wo mo obey no bibia call
kama no approach ne bi no so no kura nya ebomodin no wo hye wo se ekim ahwe asanta kura wondu
eti ede Nyankopon ase eti Obrempong na me wo the Ghanaian Times wa ha Ghana's most authoritative newspaper na abroti a wonso wo de yan me
wo daily guide that wo hase no man no pen na fe the Ghanaian publisher so e hase me de aka na mame bra obekro ne ke
and what tire ma ba bam ti se fufu a enam gusu bebre ba bam atone bu ase e aduane no me ya makwando ene nkwa be
ene nka minya light
soup na na beko
ene aponche kakra na
we kra de nka de
na nchiram
kwa nya na ma ya meta
okay ka ope wa adwene ne amane ne na
fish bi
okay
titrupa enam bi e fa no wentoa
okay o wentoa
so o de ya abekwan a na de
ba so so pe light soup
ba we ne me light soup ntino me nka ne nyina
o de chef o de poposo kakra bi 1 minute yenkwa yemoso
o de unya
salmon baako
unya yemade kakra anya
wele baako bi shenchen ya
na utwi kakaduro ne
garlic
no
ene ginger na okay yeah
fa ne ni sisa no a What the one?
Any chain no.
Pe emane. Nia enye dry one no.
Okay. I say muye moton no mu no ede no.
Pe ba ko to ho.
Efa chen. Eno ano na duane na you ready. Eno anse fufuo no so bere ya na ye gina so no ya wo.
Me ha me dia wo ka wa kire wo.
Okay. Obi bona na ye chance ye.
Mami adwasa for say ne papa saman ne be block you know, itu na buba no.
Sir.
Aye.
Ne papa saman.
My dad's ghost block the bullets.
Oh.
I said papa saman, yes ankomku.
Enkomuku no. Emeritus Professor Dr. Engineer Safo Kantanka. Ne saman na enra. Obebo weekend obebo.
Wo
adwasa fo ho ban.
Obebo no ho ban. Said ya ne doba ba ko ne adwasa.
Ne se samampa.
Ja samampa. Nya sa anka nyuma wo se nyuma wo to anka matete. Anka ma se kura ko tafo anka mani maguase.
Shiran Kenya me or the me hinta ni mo. Tego sisters ye chia wo mo. Any lawyer e say yes no ho ye. You see who say your friend ne personal assistant no. Also ade chi ye kura wadidi ehuo. Any you know.
Toza
odi teaser toza afi no. Ani ayoyo no. Also di bia no panto nya yare fo no obenum koko. Beti your friend no. I want premier day news no say. Lawyer Joseph nya yare fo no koko. Was say ade chi ye no. Wadi toza afi, wadi teaser. Wadi die huo. Correct. Etino ne ho ye etino ai
na ye made egugu
aja enti ne ti wo so abodie hu kama tz no toza afidenti na tiefo no na dofo nyanko makoma nto ne yem ne ho ye wo sori enye koko no wonom ye onya yarefo ne ho ye pa yene ehwe moja ne dia ne ye yemahye yemahye
tene ade na bopete na so
it's tine papa sama na je no
my dad's ghost block
bullets Mami for the Ghanaian Times Emra. Transport crisis deepens. Long queues, high fares, delays hit commuters. Na asemi aye awra ushe nipa abodompim. Egu the Ghanaian Times, Ghana's most authoritative newspaper. Eni mo na ubusa say enti nkrofo omo peka akofie nkoani. Wo mo peka akwa adwuma nkoani. And wobo amane said thousands of commuters one national capital in Kran ade chipa oduma kwa cha me na bus na way 100 buses no
and I know one beka say nyen Kran kwa no de be so say o de be ye o
but yen Kran for the way omo ka say ba bedru da be mete say
o de 100 abakura ma nipa ebu kari mu and vice president mo kra na ekoye ho ayi
me say wo matwa Kanashi lorry station abetoa won say ye call obi bus me say last year ye call Kanashi market eti enim ho pa be ho ni pegu o mo peka
enye easy o ma me
na wo bia wasan ko di traffic so enne se wo kwa adwuma no wan sore ntem a wo betimi di traffic so 3 hours
nti wo be sore ntem onso a won san me
na yenim se traffic no e reduce productivity o
no
because ahode a mediko ye adwuma no matena meto so wo ka mu for 3 hours na me pon so a matena mu 3 hours we use 6 hours free mu akasei and e bi mo pon adwuma 5 pm a omo kodru fie 10 pm omo te ka so akora de ene ye memfa nka ho kora ne se bia wo ye adwuma no se proximity emmen wo embe bia wo tie ne embe bia wo ye adwuma e ye dangerous and na de se ye besre se wo pa adwuma pa bia ben wo pa bia ben wo obrempon nana enti sa lorry fe be do sika nkasa
ma me hu ni say decentralization enye adwuma so ka ho
thank you ye ba bia na obi atena ne obi be se obi atena ne ba bia
adwuma ni nyina begun ka
enkran ha
but thank you the nyuma ni bi nso se ministries and agencies ni de bi kokokoko ye
no ma fa bebre wo 16 regions ni nyina mu a why na beka so wo free ha ba ha just say necessary eti ho asem no eda ha private gun permit revoked enti yese wo permit say we use gun ana say tuo no kura no asabre de ye de tabona to so twen kopem say ye beyi niema afira kwam na asamba ku bia enwanwa first ye te sensuo to a yenim say ba bia nsuo yira fa no eye Greater Accra Ghana for the obi enkran enso ayiri enkran enso ayiri entimre bia wan ese Ashanti region what flooding in Ashanti region that be we dey unacceptable Obrempong na yet what was the central region na central region so dey ho ye there flood dia they say yes be demolition wo
weekend the American dey by say nipa 18 ewu
say western region flooding 1,700 displaced as floods ravaged western region. Enipa be apem ene hanson. Ena sabre wo munya baby mfo mutinto a o masetran ye basa nsuo na yiri afa na East Legon Hills kura nsuo yiri afa mo na East Legon Hills ade no kwa hills o
hills o te
mema mani so ma kire bepo
no o te so no
fa na memu afiri beba memu afiri asafo awurade ni obo so ne asase no bepo na mema mani so kire ne East Legon Hills kura nsuo akwakofa ho etiene sa wo hwe the Ghanaian Times the odiaba mede esi monto aso na mobodi nyina so maye na abrotia yenkwe
mame fa delegate obokrata no shase na sene wode ho amanebo aba no se court grant Kwadwosafo 8 others 4.5 million Ghana cedis bill na say yankasa ya mame sawa Adwoasafo ya yakana asem se etuo ekasa no wono ankasa ne hyemu wono ankasa ne nua ya wo kire se nam ne so na sa wo ye ne no esi ye na prosifo ya de a wo kire se wo hwa no de ne ho ba se ne so ne nam asem ne ba ye nti no asem bi wo ho mba bi sana wo mu misa na pani apa no mu so so mu amanhwemu edi a kire woni fi a wo kɔgye etuo ne ade wo ho no wo kire se wo kire no ene afoforo ya wo ka ho bese nwotwe ye ka se wo mamomo bela skeda so no 4.5 million Ghana cedis ye no ho ensem no so no wo ha se nom na sania ma me sawa Adwoasafo ne ensem ne sitie no no so akasa afede wato na numu to Adwoasafo breaks silence bullets glass fragments lodge near my brain. Jesa wakasa chese mremu 37 military hospital ho ena doctor for no ehwe apre aje na hoden edi ama no chese sania etututuo no si koso no ema ne hyen no glasses ni bi wo ho a eboboye na ano fianfian no chese doctors ne se ebi wura ne tirima ma ekato ne bro nanka ekoka na adwene nti no cells bi no pata na adwene ho no oye se wo chese ekoka ne nti no ye kase no surgeries makoma yensa ena wonom aye se beye a ono so entimi nyatemache biada ewo na adwen ho eno ho nsem no wa hase no kratafa ye tosom yensa na kratafa tosom yensa wona no osi please grab 186 human trafficking suspects wonom edi nipa ho dwa ewo sumu ase obu ohwa na yakofa no free Nigeria de aba behwe store bi store ma no beba na ba sibra na yede no ebo obeba na yede na eton enubone ehudwede na yede na kwa akohyem no kyese Asante Mantemo police for ya won mo ho na tu sa anamo ya omokɔwie ase no na kyese Ghana for ya wode won ho ahye sa abonefo semu mu no makomako aduowatwe nsia 86 Ghanaians na Nigeria for nso aduokunu nsia 96 Nigerians na afensu Togo for nso adehye no bese nine ena na wonom eka ho na bo kro mu na afensu kro from atonsu bokro asawase otafo ahebro no mu ho ena afei Kenya se empotem ho ne asokwa ena o kyerese okoye sa operation ya enam so onsakan no se ena enkwada bi wo mo ye victims so mo do munye no mo panyin fie so wonom afa mo nyina ye o mo hwekwa pa wode wonom befa so de safata se woni konsa ema ne koni krom no matimi aye ne sa Gold Board introduces new pricing regime and also enra dakrata ya Ghana Gold Board mpanyimfo wonom ede eba emonte so chese se be ya fine your pepe transparency ebetimi atodwa ewo sika kokko ehudwade ehu nsem nte no free kitawon saboso mi edikan no July 1st no wonom behwe na wonom etimi ede ebo e wose wonom de gold no eje no ede ababontense ne one blade no yede eje be 100 cedis yo si ede 200 cedis yo 1 pound no si ede je sen no ho nsem no se be ya wo mo betimi enya bopa ede amana magod ho nsem no etimi ejina ye ne ho nsem no enso e wa hase nom na akosua de cartoon bi aba wo chese GH City rubbish na we no abrosensi ho ɛna adantia nso keka ho ɛmonsan sisi hɔ bebre na ebula nso so ɛwɔ hɔ mehu wo ɛwɔ hɔ na bola pa yetimi esumogu hɔ no enya asɛm ketewa maame ɛnanya nkra ha ya na no menam kumase utimi se kumase kola abon kumase bebia befa bia no what is a cent ewo kromo ankasa ne nyina no eye bola efin ya emi no my Ghana yempe ho nsem kan no eno na akoduru ye cent no akosua ede ho ensem aba osempanyifo hwe na wonum entimi entu ho anamo ma mefa the Ghanaian publisher to apona menua beman to aso intim for your calls for probe we say eye 208 million drug link to Ghana say what say endro bia what say eno no ene Ghana ewo twaka eye ade a wode abase empanyimfo nhwe na wonum ehwehwe mesan se as a dream de kakra bi ya abam gold board ho nsensem ne ya bosoma me safo adwa sara ne nsem oni ne nua no so ho nsem no ya de ade Ghanaian publisher sa na misi kire mu no ono so de ho amanebo eba no pay
ene memo no hwi na me nkogina mu ewo the new crusading guide ano na wode aba Paul afoko ni mfoni da he wo se saba o mia bedi mampani eno a ne nani suade ho ewa ha ya wode mu ncheche mu de aba the new crusading guide emu na ayebe brapani Samson Lade anyenene ni mfoni na da he wo yamranim ni wo se ewa se aban wo hyehye niam nyina yie na sa legal boundaries ewo gun ownership ho no yenyusu sanctions ni obligations ewo ho anya sa enye amanfo totototu rough na nka sofo de esina na ebenya 120 rounds of etuo ewo wo kam o de kwan o de mo so a 24 rounds 1 rounds ene de ben rounds we nyina ada wo ko be ma wo ha nyasa akwade de no bia we ye ha na no na wode ehon sema ba Samson Lade anyenene ne mfoni edahai ena me anu of agodon asarbedi akon say wo pe MPP wo pe position ni be communication director and what I say Professor Ran for example say what threaten obia wo bontrene legal threatenings and obia wo criticize aban bia no na for example na wo bontrene wo boni hu wo de mra ebo hu no was say dey we dey enye nim gu asesem pa na Professor Ran for example wan tena Ghana ha say anke kana adwan fa nchira aban and na wanya aban ni mu akowura nti o kana ho asema no what the wobe kokoto de anso no we nya sa de na wo ye no we ayo godon asarbedi akona de no na zoom lion for wo mo be ye adwuma bi nkran ha wo mo so mo ye nationwide fumigation we nya aban na so masene wan ya wan de aban hwe no ankwaje ho da ayi nsem bia hu de botum na hwe ni wo ne wansi di kura nim enti ho nsem wa ha na we Cat International wo mo say aban one allocation of the call road fund 2026 media budget now wo ba be ye no won fa sika kese yem kwese na Ghana akwan na nye ena wote ye se atuna ene empotam ho wo mo awo sa fafra mu nyina drobo ne empotam ho nyina wo musu kwan ho
atuna
ai ena kwada sunsuom wo musu be he Watermelon Street ni so o de pragia kra na mso a wo beti gbagbara wa hwe ye pemfo apon ewo Watermelon Street no kura dan kran yem wo hu entimu ye akwan budget no a ya mo fa sika kase emfa enhim eno ho nsem wa ha gun license eno so emperensia wo no mo revoke no ho nso ensem wa ha se 42 investors express interest ewo catapult no eho a project nti nipa makoma we investors makoma kwa bia na mienu wo mo de ya wo mo de aba eno no the new publisher eno na adwa safo hwe wada ha ya we okay we say droban bi
we no ye modin
okay
modin
Matias wo mo de hohoro moja no mo de ayi glasses no de na sefu ni nyina ne wa ha nurse for no so ye adwuma pa
the doctors ni de ACC ku
am de dressing enti ano ba ko na ekita wo vinegar mu a ekita no wa say na wa kire say enye ne papa saman a enye apostle emeritus doctor engineer kantanka kwadwesafo a anka watete anka manfo okun no anka no ani nua akofana nko wode na akofana ne kofana no nanso akofana ne gang no nenso mfo ni da hase a wode aba enokra wo page 2 ha wose akofana ne gang ya akofana ne gang pa ya mo 4.5 million bill na na so afo say ya hwa wadwini mu ehunu se wa adwene no eya ya ma gun license we near the ntia muntaka womo suspended all private gun license eka ho
na say yikwakuze so mo si o mo ba behwe na no mo hemfo ene atrankonwa no on say aha mamra ni amane yakwan so adwabo bi anasa afahye bi yeyo bi ba na etututuo no o mo kyese anye obi ana ewo ho kwan so otutuo na enkodi ewu ne enkodi nsemone ni nti o mbehwe na o mo ni o mo so ahia na kwan pade o se fata se otutuo no na o mo ama na to se ni kwan se o mo di tuo ko nso a na wo no maboa ma sene enkofo esi wo no eto otimi atwa
na mfimfi mantem ma me se na wo kan nsuo se asem ye na demofo wo mfimfi mantem ma wo mo a ewo baabi a edan no nye o ma 14 days ultimatum wo mo ntum firi dan no wo mbebu ato agu demolition na ma me boso no eno ni isan se 58 buildings na ebubu agu na eku nipa makoma du nwotwe 18 nti se mo amfiri ho a e de asem kase pa na ebeba afemi nko wie wo chronicle mu na chronicle say yeah yankenkan Psalm 11 verse 13 no Psalm 11 verse 13 na we the Kofi Capital mfoni no de abai ana wa chesa no kre ma for mo investment bi a wo mo ye e wo electricum no ekoyi pa nti CS so no abo ma baso na ba umi anso se obedi mampani eno a ena de makoma so ho na ka say Paul I went to ma afoku wono na ne mfoni eda has I went tami afoku ni na ne mfoni eda has ya wa chechire mu kama na go board for so wo mo say send na akua wo boss we and so wo mo the total overhaul of price regime edeba na baby a asem kase ba akopa ejina ewo chronicle mu ewo hase amamole Collins na obefre nti miri ka be kan asem no de ama amamole ya se private school bi wo ho na private school no baby a wojina sesi a no nye enyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyen Omo mama for aye asresrefo. Kwan ya ma fa so mama for aye asresrefo de. Chronicle na ana wogusu a wo chirechi mu e wo ha sei. Na se ne waka say yankenkan Psalm 11 verse 3 no. Say aye ready na nka de atoso na ye de awie. Wo say if the foundations are destroyed, what can the righteous do?
So was saying in a swa or tinny ni bayeding.
Yeah. Any nyina so no ye kwa ba ne aba so.
Ya be wuram.
Ah ya be wura nyina so because na ye ukuada. It is nyina so we die. Ye ma ne nye kwa. Etiefo na di kan badada. Bo number ne so na o ma ba foforo no so enti.
0260
19
60 64 0260 19 60 65 0260 19 60 64 0260 19 60 65
Medase. Hello. Oh, kafra na mafanga. Hey, original ni.
And I was ambassador original pound doing Sompa 106.5.
Ayo, Sompa 106.5 me enkwe.
And I was that's why Konya remember chairman in IT pump. And I was ambassador Konya such a year and Martin, you was more also doing the doctor. I also was not getting no to about me. I could get that when you're not finding me. And I was a mean someone in the media movie.
It's original. Original.
And I was there.
Now we MPP ni.
I'm Bazane.
Auntie na party na odono anase nipa na odono.
Oh, and I was a memory now, and yet I'm a cool name, Donna, I'm a do bit my own many.
Auntie, your party no mum na adono, yes, sir.
Okay,
Matthias, I said, party ye or more mugumuno, and this in MPP, you or more mudo ni pap personality, any or more do party. Says any man who's a woman, your party na adono, now do individuals, me boy.
Oh, yeah, the only plan in the bank of the wall, my
Matte. And a permission doesn't mean the wall. Mammy, too. I'll condemn.
Yes, you come when I'm in you. And then in Swato, if they had a year for her. Yes, we are Bola. What can in Swato have? Yes, they need what can I have another man that was a prayer and so confirm me. The part also a Bola. want to sue the Kobu and Kobola Kobu got a manner. And I'm wrong with you. Because I'm going to say, I will be naive. The number said, any problem, I think you will come and not and you walk around with the number to Puno Mother. Young in any power. Your hand is so you friend, and my man, you were cast a Mukaman top of my little no one, like a member. Now, when Mungina will call me a new animal with Miss Sagana for Yamaya in a way, no father who are Akosua, and be near the Maya. 2020, and so.
Meda so original ya no achia orura alankwadwe che Martin so amaye. Hello.
Avanton kujache na tabai.
Na wana mejia ni.
Sompa anato utu kwa blani fani. Ntama organizer anato.
Blani fama mintie wanope.
Yo dedi kama mpenja kese fama adwin kese jombodu na mintie mame ha so batanfa. Na mintie Dr. Mahmoud Amma. Maybe we'll be writing on Dr. Papa, but one more man, a tumpo. You never tell me who should become the more organizer. And to come down so. Many about the Kenya and say, tell my team. Master, I've been a dinner and the beginning of which to know the Bolivian or the Cubia, a Yahoo. The coach is South Africa. Once Africa in Equator South Africa from Bolcom, and the TM. Not to best select 10 years here. 10 you. The best deeper at the Shantan. I'm on fire. The touch of you. Share. And the car, once I was a car wedding. We sound a little above farm of Coquere. A little four, no mapon. It's a banker for a nipper go and visit the Pacor, Momapon, no one of our management. And I never quite put a majesty. I mean, about that's the Ghana police service. I'm going to say about 3 o'clock from other call, and I've had the fair crowd to Kasway and to the zoo. I'm going to cities.
Pabrani made us say, "Yan watch Ebusian for my 0260196064 and 0260196065." Hello. Hello. Oh, Kafra. Yay. One fan chemu. Hey, we are. Hello. Yes. Na me kasa woni like 2 o say we are one.
If I tell me so Sompa one ka padia na one dia ira o.
Menya butre. Me nua ben machia ni.
The pache we ye na amwa.
Hey, na amwa kwa Aboagye.
I you know Monday call it said na adore all can be na me dey I had a very
na amwa kwa mintie wa no pe.
Na mintie incoming national chairman papa Yura Honorable Boakye Ejako. Bebi abra Akosua ye party jam pempe pa de obi obetie party and you ma bam na amkama bam die die win election 2028 Yura Honorable Boakye Ejako die ye first opportunity no di party ni somebody discipline and na say every party discipline dia ni obi ayaga to obi aka de ope e say obi so obi party because leaders na ono means that one down from the Akosua and the Akosua because the partner you were for the just to o ma fẹ́ for you are down with canon to be to them gitala je to them party and na yewu ni e ya yo e ya affection send every party for Ekodi I mean check my eye for the look of the income chairman for the look of the Akosua Akosua o mangana o maya e se chi Akosua is you see can I ye and na ye to be and what I be muna Akosua and na o mai kasema ko ye fresh wo fom e gana magu ye aduma next for the chapa ye aduma over 15 months abani nchio mo kaye and na so ta na so yi gana for is gana that bia so yi the dream say me me yesu the brother say no ka say me say you can for di o man si apre and me try kwa ne to do o man say you can for all
me dance na na mo akoya na wache abusuafo nyina ama ye 0260196064 and 0260196065 ahaye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello.
What do you mean?
Ajani moniye. Modem.
That is saying.
Nyame adumo.
Yo, I'm not ready.
nyame shira no shira no
that's it
ya no pe nyame shira Ghana ama nsu apete dia man e de nyame o shira ya no nyame shira mo na no pe nyame na ho na menka mo menkia incoming secretary deputy that is going to be one year maintain now me Akosua Usua want to back for Peter Akrewu organizer and I got near Salbadi Akon one nipa no also ba conductor director and then near the original human get for more function the slot no na and the thing we do with one by man kama at the amay yo the American say I am not body boy the many predictive for that is the draw and I am Samai. Now, the Edicano, coaching Edica, Eddie Asadabe man. Because coaching away are dear pa,
yes,
no boy, never fun. And this other microphone won't be paid.
And no crack.
And so, pretty, Namukano. I'm so good as in the that is no boy, you know. Mamusa, but you coach now, yes, I know, you know. And your time, and a man who you want them to move to Papa. And I will do what you know, come out of my
Medanse Ejenimo 0260-196064 na 0260-196065 Ahaya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello.
Yeah, good morning. ABC.
How can say free abede? ABC mamintio.
Nchake se kuma ju Ashama team. Communication officer the party Ashama for Montuma because of Ashama has been a part of the Ashama of course the whole world. It means Lemu communication of Montuma and Yahuza. Incoming coincidence organizer will see for Mutumano and a deputy communications are of Katamaso appoint the party was Almighty Collins, the public man, the birthday boy, the party Chibufuri, Montomana, one room, deputy communications are Mutumano, and incoming regional chairman, Michael Tete, a Tropical Academy, or non vehicle, Medase, here, and Yagusia, Yedika, Mamefa, Asidama, Coachino. I say Mikasa, who's a coach in the Bayano, or say on Petu Gabede, Celestia Mano. It will not catch in selection. I know you ought to the Damino, you the session the Damino. It's what we just say, yes, no, we are put ya, they will free, we put ya, they will be, and do so. And no matter how we are captain, as well, go up, obey you free. It's coaching there. I have to that by a man, and I'm Benjamin Atari. I just have because the judge all communicating with the players, you know, all players, Yamisha, the papa, or Yadi. I tell you,
Medansepa ABC Akase free abede 0260-196064 and 0260-196065 aha eya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today and a wutie no nsem wo man ni mu ene nneema edi ahim dia de ncheche ebre du so efe ne Ghana speaks o kire wadwene hello
Akosua
yes
Collins ni
amomole
mo abede kwa Collins aba
mate
Yakupo shira papa
onshira wonso
na then your kind no enra so na ayem birthday
oh happy birthday Collins onyamenya wakoma so ade mna se de bia ABC be ye campaign ma wono omonto ma ombeto amane so trobo for so ambe sheni ni yam we now trobo wo pre de di brebe na apre Deputy Communication Officer Trobo Ayana Makai Collins Amomole Young Quay campaign manager Pacho Debbie Sedgman de meeting me Sedgman de meeting me Majima does that College ma meet you.
National Deputy Organizer. Let me say, ye mlachi ebom homodi. Na if Akosua say when me say board here, you find here amanyosem. Mo. Na so it's me the prayer to no sooner. Almost so I know Sadia. And can it be a picture? They last 8 years. Ghana Blaster Bobo. akono ni wo sha tade no kura wo bi ya kura twe wo gese ya mu kura ye ton krom na ya 5 de kura ye nto enso ne enura bebi na me nam ye fum jesse we see hey na it did Sompa Ghana Blaster is on track it mumani dina ya support we nya manyo sem ne bi ye na enura yo opposition fo yi du ba ko ba ya Ghana be lusu Ghana for draw if you know so no orobo obedi dinle
medase enti Collins ya chia amomolefo nyina nyamema trouble ho no Deputy Communication Officer no nyamenya wadom na enya 0260196064 and 0260196065 hello
Sompa hima
Collins nie
Sompa hima Collins abako Collins nie
ene de said de mototo ABC Collins ena ye friend say Eben
medase oni mumia ne bibia abako de
nyame adum mamintio
na na makuto mpo se wanya adoria edinu Aboagye engine tumo na ye engine tumo ochna ikasa oba na ye adon na ye party
we are too deep from man ye man a new birth certificate
ni ngba me ka tell you opo mpo be ki nsa ye nyi na ni aba wanka sa oba na friend Aboagye you do back court I'm just saying don't mean that you didn't want to after one year mamre
o de Evans mamintio mamintio Eben yeko
mama minchia minenti ona bole kuma plugu na honorable agbo of the east to my pa obo o person am pon kan na men kan che ndi so me ni so Mr. Osman AK de dewa ona be bona bole kuma chidom na minchia honorable Ilo Zebra Kojodan Kwansu, Deputy National Communication Officer, Mumayankan, and the Oracle, Greater Accra Reach Organizer, and also Secretary at the Reach Mumayan Finish, non boy to Mapa. Minyaba, Yabo Blaster Abaso, Omo Jumapa, the Abo, my Ghana. But Minyaba, Namika, or May Muse, or Mayan, saying Subaya, Yens Minyam Soma, your attitude, Yens saying Suba Bonino, and no beer, Cassie, and I say, in beside issue. The beers of the Kupia, dress the new book, the page 70 or so, the pension straight. Then, for the 1 year, you are the company at the Musa. Could you believe that? And Mitchna, you touch Motako, opposite side to Sutensi, Namichna, you run about here. Next morning, then Manchester City run about every single quarter and every single Achimota, Quanin, grammar from Musa Musuba Bonino.
Menso medase ya na wachia kwabanyafo nyina amaye 0260196064 and 0260196065 ha Sompa 106.5 FM Accra hello
Oba Champa Akosua Aboagye
Aboso kan na medru ya na
Oba Champa udidi ema nyankafo odidi mame nyankopon hira opapa na ya akasa kitabura
Ao nana ya tabora wie maminti nana
Obatampa mamemo wabaso na nkrofo anyomo ha onyomo ya adwuma nyina no yensre odomanko ha mo de mo na no prize na menchia adwenkase adwomboadu na sre MPP 2028 no wo endieko ntuko yi akwakora dia ne ni kopodwuma ya mre so bi di chairman ya ho ba kire ya pa tienyi adwenkase adwomboadu no be di party na ni master chairman na entrepreneur ma ye for my me ha kumise so le chiano mame na minia ba ko ka se na another time no na Ghana bobo graduates na onya bito it's a lie and true and then mame ahuta hoto ni kuimu ani je bia ni kuimu because na obe solia na ya to like dem isumu a udam ni ato like dem ni ato water dem inti Ghana football na ye bona no na dia anije kakra bre inti se wumu se ubi boka to desia ya ho kire ne o hawo ne amane a Ira Muhammad ya betum eno na Ghana Blaster to enchi e re kakra mami oba Ira Muhammad aboyuma nkase no mo eno na mobile mu discuss o Ira Muhammad ye wuri ye ho atwa ye wa ye wuri ye ho kire ye ya ene yiso yiri fire no o sa to so ma to life be what Ebi see that say abadia be issue ama a declare why demonstration.
Medan say enti nana ya na tabora wachi adehye ama ye. Hello. Yes. Auntie Maggie. Nabi nyame adom na wonso e.
Eda Yesu ase. Anopai de. Na me mama ba so ne adwuma pa ma ye sompa.
Yes.
Yo, masa mu nyina me say. Yewura na hama. Ghana force rem. Anoda wo de beji abenya no. Enye no na won di so. Won wo no life day. Me do aye day. What me do aye day. Dia aye day. Lojina abenya so bita edita ataso bita Ghana force. Dokuno mutimi to. Ene ya muti ebro na bafu. Dokuno ye 25 minutes. Yeah, that's rem. Oba ene mamu wo sa o. As when people for car. Mu de mu ali mu ako. Yes, friend. Kina mu form bre adidia ya ka. Adu mai kwa ka tia so ya tu. Ya best friend. O ma ni ma mu like adu mai form no friend. Share point. Na wo me fu ka na ako. Wo be du pakra e 20 Ghana. Wo fi ama sama e ba 20 Ghana. Short. Yes, friend. Ya try my phobia catch him so. Mo sorry I'm saying dollar number. Yeah, number. And so the air and ya for come to play. I don't know what say Ghana for be a poor bread. I then in Fudia in Arcadia. One event and Ghana ya. Machines ya mun dey go aswa. Only a poor air galam say.
Mati Auntie Maggie. Medase. Mate Antima Medase pa Auntie Maggie chia abusuafo nyina aha ye Sompa 106.5 FM akra 0260 1960640 19606 me fa nipa num na mawie. Hello.
Ledo.
Nokrasa Mr. Nokrasa.
No, afi no abodini.
Yankwai. Na no pa wadi didie.
Oh, and then the fast.
And now you're fasting. I know you could. And I know the man come and cheer me. Oheneyere Obrempong na mo fasting day.
Yes, fasting no the meaning tia me fasting. Oko Islamic calendar mo. And at the way that bia Moses eating kunim ewo ohen Pharaoh so.
Ah, okay.
Yes. Until on the 9th, on the 10th. No, yes, Islamic calendar. No, yeah, the pa ubitina fasting. And yes, Papa, Mammy Chow now, Bencha, Chief of Staff in Cha, Justice Yeboah, or also conducted the National Organizer, Joa Samo Communication, or name is Sabra Forestry Commission. Papa, NPP, and she say, and one that's who said 3 months, the Amamoto, electricity bill last 3 months, and this Papa and one to so. I mean, you did one of the teacher of mine. MPP for Ventura Magazine say about we buy one call international market help for board this year. Or man to one, I a teacher of mine. You just buying a tram one normal to our normal did to about wait to our the teacher of mine. Yes, friend. The corner in the MPP also connected the Kuya 15 city, every 20 city. More better, more yet, 3 city, Mebois, or about Catherine Mebois. Mebois, middle.
Just what can 3 cities.
Yes, upon Papa no, and the country about also can say they can go there 5 cities and say easily. But young support upon Papa, let me say, Papa, be push, now your mind to the army. You got it this year.
Martin Okrasa Medase, 0260 1960640. Now, hello.
How many persons going down?
On council, pa, many of them are Ben Messiani.
Why you came?
You, why you came, I mean to you?
Now I put them.
Namia to me, who ye pa.
But I'm your say, I'm afraid just from Kuma. Yamame Arin, Natoshi Ado. Maybe you'll be a mama. Children count. Master MPP, a queen girl bay. Yama Ubio Wakudu, no Osipi, Osita. On my national chairman. Ura Ejaku. Opochoma Sre. Aya Rohu, Abencho Cassisi. Sabika for a men's rule. Aya Yalufu. The way a wise and who defend the NDC. I can work up with buying. I can one I union one. Akosua, you want cast radio from other radio station up to now. Ankanya Crank one year, American this summer, Mark after ball, you crown Koshi. Yes, we know. Cocoa Crafu also. One of them Kai is real Cassie. See you working the Bible song for America. I cocoa Crafu and get your own car and give me a family visible to my sponsor and a back for a cost boy. You must call us and test us. Mama, I will give you because some radio do, which your way. A man of power, not in the Wapa, so you here. It's much less so before. See, Yanya one, your money, then you know your kitchen. Mamma, Queen Yaba, what you hear because I roll. They yet when you bring this if you are Casamodikai, maybe I will be able to show. What Casa not anti power. No work up opportunity about. Sheila Columbia and Kobe. No, very different.
Medase Y2K ya na wachia bedwafo nyina amaye 0260196064 and 0260196065.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes sir. Good morning sir.
Good morning masa.
Bacho frame na na sebunsu. Good on frame anwamu. Nikatafi kantamanto.
Yo, anwamu mami ntie wa no pay.
Bacho, enye Kolebu police station, police one. Omu haya jipana ministries. Masa, kese omu titi kantamanto davet fokwa kese yenyamu mekakura. Imesewa ajita sunti. No musen ko fono mu asem kamanya na ye bre.
Mat, mesume da se pa se de hia wa baba beka. Me fa frɛ for miensa.
Hello.
Me ba to mini abɛ na me hia ni.
Yeah, me mensa canopy. Eke ya na robo.
Yo, mensa canopy. Yo, mensa mami ntio.
This week is almost one ya I think all matter to like in sumu. Kai what you see, you know. Very simple. In Pinfana, no matter a can ever up and down. It's simple and say, that's now. Oh, baby, I say, Akosua had down area her. Baby, a man for Bunun Crassi that. Corona Mita to see connection and the Kumbi or Muni Nema or Moba. Only who then they are okay, the demon Penomoko. So, Mita, were you soon there 3 years, 4 years? Last one by or Master Summit almost there 70. Obey you should bear 4 years. I'll wait till once in the arm by. It to me, no, may I think a moment prepaid for the anchor from at least 500 is in fact. And what they are, and what want to inform. Oh, that way, no, this means to me 4 years over. Mika Baco pay any pay 4 years. Oh, to me, you should bear 4 years. A tree no man, but it's a co. So when you should be free.
Mate medase na memfa mienu na mawie. Hello.
Good morning, Aboagye.
Good morning. Afrifani.
We are
Na de kantamanto fo ayifo akama mia papa.
Yeah.
Na de kantamanfo matwawe enya hwem yenko Afrifa.
Yo, money is my power. You go on Manjana.
Medase.
I'm in chair. If a cabo chair, incoming national chairman. The media plan of the American, Miss Say, and Derrick. Yes, not a young for Yana Martin. Yan show before bit Mama and Cabo Party, bit Mackin depending, and your more who you want to know. Into Lipanuia or actually, or not a bit my capat Nabu. Yo, and that was your. I get my poor a half time a palm, maybe enemy who you say, tell me a catapult was who. Oh, say, and the moon,
I no pay.
Well, near a sorry, then you call Bukuru this year.
Sorry, ba.
Dale, Sompa family brutal.
Yeah, that's it.
We Madari or number 171.
What's what dial number? They say 100 and say 171.
Yes,
and Sunday too.
I'm not putting you for my when you're in Amencia, MTP, and National Chairman, you are Aboagye, and I'm a Concaino. But in India, either between Yanka, Master Guy, the way, Nasun Dimbra. Oh, but don't make what the Nia from Pamua Massage as well. If you're near my degree at home, the Nippon you know. Yamido Mobeji and free NDC for him, Chairman, your friend Isaac and the women's of Nazareth, and your friend of Mamma. Nama, I'm person is out there. that meaning the was CDS, we can say drip machines now. It's essentially another down for Fufuado. At the buyer, the look of your grandparents as 5 or 6. The bell level, you find the best start board, the actually photos in Bancho, drip machine, that one infant. They are talking to me. MPP wa bemu. Lava for to so fair so and I do your bonnet short now you can. You near mu NDC for say a Yakufuado in Sisha Bonina Petro Costro Nadole and they are Petro about for my dollar about for my driver for no to man. You have to go on my wine. You may be trapped to make it. It's a John Dramani Mama. Yet they say Amamu.
Medan se o time no aso ye de tiefo say Ghana speaks some of them adwenche ba ye de asedema endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboaten was me mo aso nte se brana yare ma nipa ye mobo e ho ye endpoint ema awo pe na oho atowo eno achi nso prostate in men ene niema yare premature ejaculation, nerve diseases, kidney issues, liver issues, physiotherapy, massage ni nyina wo ye ho adwuma enti endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboaten se frɛ no e wo kronma bo hia wo kumase e na akra so spenters kwano so baby furniture signboard no or ho frɛ no e was 0244867068 0244867068 and 0274234321 0274234321 and which no kasa natural menu water nsuo no ya na wanom bi na aboa kasaloma ventures for and de aba wo ye wedding party yi ho ne wo frɛ wo mo e wo Taifa Bok Hospital achi ho was me pe CASA mineral water e 0206469430 0206469430 Hajia special local food aduane papa fie make sure sa no pay ubedi aduane papa no wanya kwatenten aduane pa na boa wo ma skin cry efe etifo ani kire atomic kwan so hatwokwan no so hono a we hatwokwan no so baby transition wono e ho na Hajia special local foods wo delivery guy no frɛ wo mo 02463599921 02463599921 Sompa 106.5 FM Accra wo pese wo ni edi dwa pese wo be ye interview wo pese wo preach wo ha wo pese wo be ye advert wo ha na se wo pe ye client service line na wo dia fasoa eye 053 1886216 ye be pesa wo be send WhatsApp message e dia ba e be boa na sa SMS no wo betimi asende bi e tere bia wo be frɛ na e bia ye wo studio na ye adwuma eye 053 1886216 WhatsApp wo betimi asende voice note e dia fa ho nso 053 1886216 odoma kwanju ame yebre no aso kakra wo de emaye na fapem no foundation na
if the foundations are destroyed,
okay,
what can the righteous do? Mame hono me fade free na anu asem we see ye wo Christ as a mission hona me de me foundation yi gina
ye ne ntema na Sompa Rhapsody time no aso
ne se foundation ni me de no na ye ayi keke ye won sori bibio bebre wo Ghana ha se ya nhwe yi a nra me boss asem we so ne mo nyame ya do mo ekena de me wura ba bi foforo ya nhwe yi a na yesi o Christ as a mission enso de wo Ghana ha ebi betimi asimu echenkuri but ma me sansem we nyina wo hu bi wa Anglican wo hu bi wa Baptist wo hu bi wa Pentecost Presby basrefo wo hu bi e na Methodist zo wo hu no bi sanse nhyehyeye no eda ho nya sa nka Makion beti Pentecost wa wo nka ne mabe ko se ya anka John Wesley de Methodist baye kono so ne mabe ko se ya na nso se yeti ekuo menka ne se yeti kuo ana ye nhyehyeye bi di aboa ye ho se kuo na se ye ni better transition na ye de chechire founder nkoa de chechire ne ho wie wo kwa ne obeka ene no nkoa ye de ye adwuma ya na beto ye
Matias
e wose ye de nhyehyeye papa titiri ne ye nsore no nyesa ye bekọ ye beba